Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thanks for stopping by. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I made this fluffy and delicious Nigerian puff puff. Let's get started. To make this rich and delicious puff puff, here are all the ingredients we'll be using. I have already sifted my flour here. This is 4 cups of all-purpose flour. I have 3/4 cup of sugar. This is milk flavor. So I'm using 1/3 cup of the milk flavor. You can use powdered milk if you want to, but I'm using milk flavor to make it more yummy. I'm using 1 tablespoon of yeast, instant yeast. There's a twist here. This is baking powder, so I'll be adding 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder. This will make it fluffy. Yeah, we want a sweet, delicious, and fluffy puff puff. Before I say ploppy, here I have my nutmeg to give it that, makish flavor. You can use any flavor of choice, or you can skip this. I'm using nutmeg. This is 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, and I'll be adding it evaporated milk. I'll be using this 120 gram of Hollandia full cream evaporated milk, and I have water here. I'll also be adding it water. I'm not using all totally milk, so we'll be using water. That's my lukewarm water. It's not hot, it's not cold. So we'll start by mixing the dry ingredients first. So start by adding sugar. I'll just in no particular order add all the dry ingredients. They make flavor. The yeast, the baking powder, and the nutmeg. I'll add some of the water and the milk. You can decide to use more milk than water. I used a total of 2.5 cups of water. That is 750 ml of water. And this is what I have. So I'll cover it and leave it to rest for about 45 minutes or more, up to 1 hour. You can even leave it up to 2 hours until it doubles in size or triples in size. In fact, it's going to triple in size. So I'll just keep it in a warm place. Our weather here now is very, very hot. So even if I leave it on the table here, it's going to rise. So but I'll keep it in my kitchen. that place is warmer, so that maybe it will not take much time. In about 45 minutes or 1 hour time, we're going to fry our rich and delicious puff puff. Yay, this tripled, tripled in size. It was here, 1, 2, 3. So ready to fry our puff puff. I'll just stir it again, or just to remove the bubbles, the air. Let's go and fry it. And here we have our beautiful and the yummy puff puff. The puff puff tasted so delicious. It was so yummy and fluffy. So milky also. From that milk flavor, I added it. I hope you'll be trying out this recipe when next you're making our Nigerian puff puff. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like and share the video. Until I see you again in my next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.